As per our ongoing Bitgert cost forecast, the worth of Bitgert will expanded by 252.49%, coming to $0.0000196 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion certainly is bullish, while the trepidation and covetousness file in a real sense is perusing 37.82. And that implies commonly intense apprehension in an essentially huge manner. Our Bitgert figure. It's especially purchased Bitgert at the present time, on February 24, 2023. Practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall bullish opinion among Bitgert cost forecasts. Essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. See the specific Bitgert cost expectation beneath. You will essentially know the amount Bitgert is for the most part worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Bitgert has expanded by 60.01%. Because of this, we can by and large get with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Bitgert expanded by 113.66% and came to approach around $0.0000118. At present, all markers certainly are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and eagerness record shows 37.82 intense feelings of dread, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to buy and large purchase Bitgert, which really is very huge. At present, Bitgert really is exchanging underneath the 200 by and large basic moving normal, or so they generally thought. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown a Bitgert purchasing pretty sign. The cost of Bitgert truly is presently running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving truly normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in every way that really matters hit $0.000000488 toward the finish of December, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. By December 2024, Bitgert's transient 50-day SMA shows a $0.000000425. The general strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an essentially large way. RSI sort of is as of now at or Civilu. This demonstrates that the Brise market in every practical sense is in a nonpartisan situation amazingly. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitgert came to $0.000000378 when it dipped under $0.000000291. Interestingly, since January 2021 in a significant manner. As per the financial backers and market trades, Bitgert is headed to passing the $0.000000122 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.000000122, it might break its sign of $0.00000404000 and reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitgert will break its past all-time especially high of $0.00000404000 and really hold somewhere in the range of $0.000001114 and $0.000000122 soon, or so they thought. At this point, on 24 February 2023, Bitgert most certainly is exchanging at $0.000000555, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 11.02 M, and it makes number 225 cash in the entire crypto world. Bitgert value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Bitgert can get through the $0.000000141 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Certainly the least Bitgert cost will basically be between $0.000000119 to $0.000000141, and the most especially reasonable Bitgert cost will basically be consistent at around $0.000000136 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitgert's buy and large wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its ecologically hostile energy use. Extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Bitgert will generally reach $0.00000141 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Bitgert value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Brise will begin the year at $0.00000163 and exchange around $0.00000196 in an unpretentious manner. As per their expectations, this would by and large be incredibly high contrasted with last year, which especially is genuinely huge. This in a real sense is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation 2026. There truly is a decent opportunity that Bitgert 2026 value expectation will in every practical sense twofold in cost. However, it is likewise, all things considered, conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal certainly greatest $0.00000254 level in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert is anticipated to truly arrive at a record-breaking in every way that really matters high of $0.00000252 or $0.00000254 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of Bitgert. In a genuinely significant manner, Bitgert value forecast 2027 Bitgert value expectation, or Brise, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly truly accomplish new highs. As far as costs in market cap, which is genuinely critical, Bitgert's cost is supposed to truly outperform $0.00000254 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been for the most part anticipated that Bitgert will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00000254, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.00000213 and the fundamentally next a long time from 2027. In an unobtrusive manner, Bitgert conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists sort of foresee explicitly say that Bitgert value forecast and specialized examination, Bitgert is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00000299 in 2028, or so they thought. In the interim, Bitgert is supposed to by and large arrive at any rate cost of $0.00000263 this year. The greatest cost may for the most part reach $0.00000304, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Bitgert value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Bitgert will reach $0.00000403, and the cost of Brise ought to reach $0.00